Hi everyone, it's Softman here, and today I wanted to just make a quick video about how to stop scaring your customers away and effectively getting more quotes every month for $0. But who is this video even for? This video is primarily for solar installers across the UK and the US because that's a market where I actually know this works, so keep that in mind. So basically the foundation and the whole premises of this video is that with organic traffic, perhaps Google Maps or your website, it all converts to your booking process. So basically this implies that you have actually like people who are already interested in solar going to Google Maps or your website, then choosing the booking process and then turning into quotes. And this video is about how to improve this whole system to get effectively more quotes, more monthly revenue, and make your business more lean as a side effect. So basically, like I said, the focus for today is to improve the booking process. And yeah, so basically you have to always keep in mind organic traffic. They are just generally interested in going solar or whatever you basically offer for them in the solar space. They don't care about your business, they have no personal connection with you, and they're not sure what to do. Maybe they're interested, they want to get more information, but there's not a clear path for them to get what they want. And like I said, they don't care about you as business. They just want someone to help them. That's why it's really important to make it easy to book a quote and lubricate the slide. So all the potential customers slide into your business and you get more quotes and more monthly revenue. This happens, like I said, with reduced friction. So the process where someone interested is looking at your Google Maps listing or your website, from that point on, you want to take them by their hand and just guide them towards booking a quote, booking a call, just interacting more actively with your business so they are getting more hooked to you and building that personal connection, because you just generally want to interrupt them from generally looking at all businesses to like focusing on your business, so they don't keep reaching out to other businesses and just start connecting with you. That's why it's really, really important to reduce the friction of that whole process. And I will go over just quickly how you can reduce that one on Google Maps and also on your website. They're like the two most frequented places where you have to really reduce the friction of booking a quote. On Google Maps, it's actually relatively simple. You have to do the basics. You have to have a clean profile, good pictures. You want to look serious. So that's the first part. That's just like the pure basics. And the secret sauce here is Google Maps is offering a function where you can basically either have your booking service directly connected to it. I will just show it to you how it will look at the end. Or you have a link where people can book calls with you. In the end, it will look like this. So basically, the customer or the potential customers who's interested in solar, they will look at your listing and they will just see this big shiny button where you can just like book a quote, book a call, whatever your business wants. And not a lot of businesses in the solar space are utilizing this. So you can just set yourself apart from that. And like I said, stopping the customer from reaching out to other businesses and just interacting with your ones. So I really encourage you to utilize that to basically get more quotes every month. But what are the specifics when you actually want to implement the system? You have, like I said, you have to have a booking provider. So a free one is Calendly. I can link it below if you want to. And there are also like paid versions where you can implement the system a lot better directly into Google. So you don't, or the customer doesn't have to go to an external website, they can just instantly book it from Google Maps. And therefore you make it a lot easier for the customer to book a quote with you. On the other hand, you have your website, which is like the second really popular path where people find out about you and maybe want to book a quote. So you really have to have a clear call to action. Like I said in the beginning, you want to take the potential customer by the hand and like basically drag them really easily through the whole process into booking a call with you. So you want to just like have a really clear call to action on your website, which is clearly visible, not a lot of stuff around it, just a clear call to action where they can book a quote and basically implement embedded booking. When you click on the call to action, a window pops up where they can just instantly choose a time and also put in their personal information like name, last name, whatever you want at this point. So it's really easy for them. It's like 10 clicks or so to book a quote, which is really easy and requires a lot less action than going to the website, looking up your telephone number, calling you, maybe not getting through. It's just a mess, honestly. Just use a modern system like this to book the quotes, and there are actual further benefits of using a system like this. You have less operational drag because the system runs without you. It's just there, the system works, and you don't need an extra person for the phone. People just book online appointments and then you can call them back whenever they choose to. You also, it's also easier for the customer and easier for you. It's just like a win-win situation. And also it's a very good starting point for automatizations, because especially like the marketing part of things is just evolving into this whole automation thing where you don't really have to manually interact with anything. So you don't have to, go into your spreadsheets and drag the lead from one column to the next. They just book the appointment, and then the system in the back end sees this and they just run through the whole process of maybe messaging them before the appointment to let them know that it's coming up, so you have a higher probability of actually reaching them. So yes, it's a great starting point for that, and I can just highly recommend it if you want to get more leads, more quotes, more business, and at the end, what you really want, more monthly revenue as a solar business at the end. What should you take away? The main things are, like I said, reduce as much friction as possible. It's the single most important thing in the whole process, because you want to make it just as easy as possible for them to book an appointment, anything else, interact, get information, whatever it is. And take the person by the hand. You not only want to make the process as easy as possible, but you want to make them not think about it. They don't have to think about it. Just tell them basically what to do. Like you saw it with the call to action. Book a quote now, call us now. Honestly, just keep it with the booking. It's a lot easier, like I said. And use booking software to ease the process and automate everything. Like I said, this is a great starting point for SMS automatization, email automatization, but that's a topic for a single video itself. So if you want me to go over it, let me know in the comments. So if you are a solar panel installer business and you're really serious about getting more solar leads, more quotes every single month, you can click the link below and book a call with us. We just help solar businesses in the UK and across America to book more quotes every single month on a completely pay-per-result basis. So if we don't get you actual customers, you don't pay us for it. That's how it works. So if you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.